No gold is not in her. She's a
Milescraft drill block. No more guessing if your drill is at a true 90-degree angle to your work surface. This handy guide system allows you to drill a straight hole every time. The drill block has an ergonomic design that is comfortable in any application. The unit also features non-slip TPE pads on both sides to prevent slipping and marring on the work surface. There are center lines on all four sides of the drill block that are lined up with each hole location to help you make sure you are positioned exactly centered on your mark. Using these as a guide, you will drill a perfect hole every time. The base of the drill block is made of a reinforced nylon and will not heat up in your hand while drilling through metal. The drill block has a solid base that allows it to be clamped for stability. The V-block channel on the underside provides versatility on many different drilling surfaces, from round to corner profiles. On the top of the bushing block, there are 6 holes for common drill bit sizes: 1/8, 3/16, 1/4 inch, 5/16, 3/8, and 1/2 inch. Each bushing is held to a tight tolerance and allows you to drill at a 90-degree angle to any surface. For drilling holes that are straight and true, be sure to check out the Milescraft drill block. Milescraft, always the better idea.
When it comes time for glue-ups, we could all use a hand. Now you can save time and your sanity. This simple yet effective clamp holding fixture buys you extra time during glue-ups by streamlining the process and positions your clamps to optimize pressure across panel or puts clamp pressure just where you want it, as in raised panel door glue-ups. The CSS24 comes in 2 models. One nests 3/4 of an inch or smaller pipe clamps, and the other holds 1/4 inch and heavier 3/8 inch parallel jaw clamp bars. The 4 sides of the CSS24 are quickly assembled using notches in each bar that forms a sturdy egg crate joint. And for longer panel glue-ups, simply use 2 or more to handle your needs. Clamping with pipe clamps couldn't be easier, since the CSS24 elevates the handle for easy cranking. Plus, the powder coat paint finish cleans right off. The Woodpecker CSS24, the best glue-up buddy a woodworker can have.
I'll go